Today I am reviewing the Honeywell Air Genius 5 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for an air purifier that offers powerful performance without the hassle of constant filter replacements, the Honeywell Air Genius 5 might just be the perfect fit for your home. This model stands out with its permanent, washable filter, which means you save money over time by not having to buy costly replacements. Just simply remove the filter, give it a rinse, and it's ready to go again. Easy, convenient, and eco-friendly. Designed specifically for large rooms up to 250 square feet, this purifier is built to handle a variety of indoor air challenges. Whether you're battling dust, pollen, pet dander, or even smoke from wildfires, the Honeywell Air Genius 5 works tirelessly to clean your air up to 4.8 times per hour. That's a level of air purification that can noticeably improve the comfort and health of you and your family. One of the key benefits of this unit is its ability to reduce not just everyday dust and allergens, but also more harmful airborne particles like wildfire smoke, which is a growing concern in many areas. If you live in a place prone to seasonal smoke or struggle with allergies triggered by pollen and pet fur, this purifier gives you an effective solution to breathe easier indoors. The Air Genius 5 isn't just an air purifier, it also doubles as an oscillating fan. This multifunctionality is a huge plus for those who want year-round use. In spring and fall, it tackles allergens and pollen. In winter, it cleans dry indoor air. And in summer, you get the benefit of a cooling breeze with its fan feature. This versatility means you're investing in one device that works for every season, giving you maximum value. User experience is smooth and intuitive thanks to the touch controls on the sleek black panel. You get 5 different air cleaning levels, so you can tailor the performance to your room size and pollution levels. If you're sensitive to noise, you'll be glad to know it operates quietly, around 60 decibels, roughly the sound level of a normal conversation, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or even offices. Another thoughtful feature is the auto-off timer, which you can set anywhere from 2 to 12 hours. This means you can run the purifier while you sleep or work without worrying about leaving it on all day. Plus, there's an optional floor accent nightlight that softly illuminates your room, adding a bit of ambience without disturbing your rest. Importantly, the Honeywell Air Genius 5 comes with both HEPA and Energy Star certifications, which reflect its efficiency and performance reliability. The Energy Star certification also means it consumes less electricity, helping keep your energy bills in check while maintaining cleaner air. Customers consistently praise this model for its balance of power, convenience, and low maintenance. With an average rating of 4.4 stars from thousands of users, it has proven to be a dependable choice in the competitive air purifier market. If you're serious about improving your indoor air quality, especially if you have pets, suffer from allergies, or live in areas affected by seasonal smoke, the Honeywell Air Genius 5 offers an affordable, effective, and low-maintenance way to breathe healthier air. Its washable filter saves you money, the fan function adds comfort, and its quiet, reliable operation makes it a welcome addition to any home. In conclusion, for a blend of performance, convenience, and all-season functionality, the Honeywell Air Genius 5 is a standout pick. Invest in your health and comfort today by upgrading to this powerful air purifier that delivers clean air and peace of mind.